So over the course of this video, we gave it a good wash. We inflated the tires, lubed the chain, put this thing back on, put some new screws on the plastics, and I think we're ready to give it a first test drive. Currently it's idling kind of high, but I don't know, I'm having some issues with getting the idle to sit at a steady pace, and but I think we're ready to take off, and I'm going to bring this thing to the gas station and fill it up with some 93. Well, the first test ride didn't go that well. Went to get gas and pulled out, was going back home, and then behind me I hear the sirens go on, lights flick, and I'm just thinking shit. So I go to gas it, and then reasoning came over me, and I was like, I can't run. I don't know where to go exactly. I mean, there's the woods, but I figured I'm just gonna stop and pull over, and see what this guy is gonna do. And stressful as fuck. Pretty much, he only gave me a ticket for the bike being unregistered. He could have hit me with no motorcycle license, no license plate, no headlight. Like, list goes on. He could have took the bike as well, and he just gave me unregistered motorcycle license, or unregistered motorcycle. Could have been a lot worse. Could have been better. Told him it was a project bike and everything. You know, this is literally the first test drive, and he's like, you know, I don't really buy that excuse. You just want to take it out for a spin. So I was kind of, I mean, whatever. He loosened up a bit, and then he took off eventually, and he let me push the bike home. Did I really push the bike home? Nah. Yeah, I did. But yeah, so first test drive, the fucking cops got me, man. Damn. Grease police really have nothing better to do. Looks fresh though. It was bogging down a little bit. Towards the end of the ride, I don't know what. I mean, I got to fill it up with gas and everything, but it was just, it wasn't riding that smooth. It might just need to be broken in or something. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, only one ticket. I got to go to court, I think, because it doesn't say how much it is, how much the fee is. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. But that was some shit. Now I'm gonna go eat some food and drink.